Playbook Cloud Storage is a great option for creative professionals who need a reliable and secure way to store their files. With a generous free plan that includes 4 terabytes of storage, Playbook is a great value for creatives of all levels. If you don't have a Playbook account, you can create one by clicking on the Create Account button, as shown in the video. Once you are done with this, you have to add your social media links in your profile, as shown in this video. Once that is done, you must wait for 2 to 4 days to get the verification done. After verification, you will get an email and you will get 4 terabytes storage. Once you have signed into Playbook, you can access your files and folders. You can also upload new files, share files with others, and collaborate on projects. In addition to its generous storage space, Playbook also offers a number of features that are designed to make it easy for creative professionals to organize and manage their files. These features include automatic tagging, AI-powered search, and collaboration tools. Automatic tagging allows Playbook to automatically tag your files based on their content. This makes it easy to find the files you need, even if you don't remember the file name or where you saved it. AI-powered search allows you to search your files by keyword, content, or even by visual similarity. This is a great way to find files that you might not have thought to look for. Collaboration tools allow you to share files with others and collaborate on projects in real time. This is a great way to get feedback from clients or team members. Playbook also offers a high level of security for your files. Your files are encrypted at rest and in transit, and Playbook offers a number of other security features to protect your data. If you are a creative professional who is looking for a reliable and secure cloud storage solution, Playbook is a great option. With its generous free plan and a number of useful features, Playbook is a great value for creatives of all levels. I recommend checking out Playbook. It is a great way to store, organize, and manage your files. This is it for today, guys. For more video like this, follow my socials. MDevilImmox, signing out. Peace.